What's going on, everybody? It's Chris, the Bearded DIY Guy, coming to you today. We have a Whirlpool dryer. It's got the lint screen on top, so even if it's not a Whirlpool, this is what you want to check. Customer complaint is that it doesn't start. So first, you want to unplug it from the wall, and then you want to take out all these screws. These are 1/4 inch. There's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 or 13 total. So let me take these out and show you what to do. All right, so once you have the back off, this right here is what you'll see. You want to check this right here first. That's your thermal fuse. It's basically an inline fuse. If anything happens, it'll cut the machine off before it messes up. All right, so all you'll need for this repair, if this is the issue, is the 1/4 inch you use to take the back off, and then your multimeter. So you want to turn this to ohms, and then we want to get a tone. Basically what that does, you put these together and a beep. So you want to take this off. That right there should beep. So since that's not beeping, this thermal fuse here is your issue. All right, so what you want to do, take your drill, pop this out. You've got a little piece here that connects right into this hole. Then you want to put your screw back in. All right, so once you have it back in, plug in these two. And then you can plug the machine back in, cut it on, make sure that comes on. Typically, why this happens is the machine gets too hot. Could be from a dryer vent that needs to be cleaned. That's usually the issue. So you just want to inspect, make sure there's not a whole bunch of lint. So this one's not terrible. But you always want to check this canister here as well. This is where your lint screen goes. Pull that off. You just got 1, 2, 3, and then 4 screws. 2 screws at the top. You can pop that off. Check that for any lint, any debris. But we'll get all this right here cleaned up and get it back together. Now, one way you can test this if you do not have a multimeter is pop these 2 terminals off, get some electrical tape, put them together, tape those together, start the machine briefly. If it comes on, you know that's your thermal fuse because it's blocking power from going from one side to the other. So if this right here works, if you tape them together, that's your thermal fuse. All right. All right, another area you want to check is open your door. Check this right here. That's where your lint screen is. Make sure you don't have a bunch of lint build up because that will cause it not to operate properly as well. All right, we got everything right together. Turn your timer on. There we go. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.